Welcome everybody. On this video, I will show you how to boot into safe mode in Windows 11 or Windows 10, and how to turn safe mode off if your computer forced to boot into safe mode black screen. Booting into safe mode is helpful in troubleshooting operating system, in which your computer will load only the basic requirements for operating system to run, keeping away all installed updates, drivers, and third-party apps like antivirus. Additionally, safe mode will help you in restoring system, removing incompatible driver or update, or even removing malware easily. I will show you many methods to open safe mode in Windows 11, however, these methods are applicable to Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 too. This video is divided into 3 parts. The first part will show you 3 methods to restart into safe mode without changing in system configuration, using command prompt, or by changing system configuration. The second part will show you 2 methods to start or to boot into safe mode in laptops that wouldn't start, by triggering recovery mode in partially corrupted system files, or by booting from a DVD or USB if the safe mode files are corrupted too. The third part will show you how to disable safe mode. First part, how to open safe mode from desktop in running Windows. If you have a functioning and running Windows, you can restart into safe mode using one of the following 3 methods. First method, how to restart into safe mode without changing in system configuration. Right-click on Start icon and hover over Shutdown or Sign Out option. Press and hold Shift key down from keyboard and then click on Restart option. Keep holding the Shift key down until you see Please Wait screen. Your computer will reboot into Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE. From Windows Recovery, select Troubleshoot option. Select Advanced Options and then click on Startup Settings. Click on Restart to restart into Windows Startup options including Safe Mode. Once you are on Startup Settings menu, press 4 or F4 key from keyboard to execute the corresponding option from the shown list. As you can see, there is more than one option to boot into safe mode. So, press F4 or key number 4 to enable safe mode, press F5 to enable safe mode with networking, or press F6 to enable safe mode with command prompt. I will press F5 to enable safe mode with networking, because it offers a connection to the internet to install Windows or drivers updates. In addition, it contains all troubleshooting tools, including command prompt. This is the Safe Mode desktop, as indicated by Microsoft R and Safe Mode watermarks in all corners of black screen desktop. Now, you can open Recovery to restore your system, open Command Prompt to execute administrative or troubleshooting commands or whatever you want. Second method, how to enable Safe Mode using Command Prompt. Type CMD into search box and open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter to enable Safe Mode. bcd edit/set current safe boot minimal. To open safe mode with networking, execute this command. bcd edit/set current safe boot networking. To open safe mode with command prompt, execute this command. bcd edit/set current safe boot alternate shell yes. Now, restart your computer and it will boot into safe mode automatically. Third method, how to enable safe mode using system configuration. Press Windows plus R keys from keyboard to open Run tool. Type msconfig and press Enter to open system configuration. Also you can search for system configuration using search box. Navigate to boot panel and enable safe boot option. Choose another mode from the list if you want, otherwise, click on OK to save changes. Restart your laptop to boot into the selected safe mode. Unlike method number 1.1, after applying either method number 1.2 or number 1.3, your computer will boot into safe mode every time you start it, unless you have disabled safe mode from system configuration, or removed the safe mode entry from BCD file, as you will see later on the video. How to start Windows 11 or Windows 10 in safe mode while booting. There are 2 methods to start computer in safe mode while booting, by either triggering Advanced Recovery menu, or using Windows installation media if the safe mode files are corrupted. First method, how to boot into safe mode without Windows installation media. Turn off computer completely. Turn it on. Once you see the spinning dots next to or after disappearance of the laptop's logo, press and hold the power key down for 7 seconds or until the computer shut down completely. Repeat previous 2 steps again for 1 or 2 additional times or until you see Preparing Automatic Repair, or Diagnosing your PC, or Please Wait in your screen. From Automatic Repair screen, select Advanced Options. If you see a recovery screen instead of automatic repair screen, select See Advanced Repair options to proceed to the next step. Select Troubleshoot option and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings option and then click on Restart. Once you are on Startup Settings menu, Press F4 or F5 to boot into safe mode. Second method, how to boot into safe mode using Windows installation media like DVD or USB. If the previous method not working due to corruption of system files, you will need a DVD or bootable USB of Windows 11 or Windows 10. See video description to learn how to create a bootable USB of Windows 11 using your mobile. After creating the bootable USB, connect it to your computer while it is in power off state. Power on the computer. Once you see the manufacturer logo, press F12 repeatedly to open boot menu. This is the list of common hotkeys used to open boot menu in most common laptops brands. Once you are in the boot menu, select the USB drive from the list and then press enter to boot from it. Select English language from the list and then press next. If you failed to boot from the USB, you may need to disable secure boot and to enable USB boot from BIOS settings. Watch the video from description for more details in how to boot from USB drive. Click on Repair Your Computer option. Select Troubleshoot option. Select Command Prompt. Execute the following command to add safe boot mode into boot configuration file. bcd edit/set default safe boot. Notice that we have used default instead of current when executing bcd edit command from Windows recovery environment. Now, close command prompt and back to the main recovery menu. Click on Continue to restart into safe mode. Third part, how to turn safe mode off. To disable or to exit from safe mode, do the followings. Open System Configuration and navigate to Boot panel. Uncheck Safe Boot option and click OK to save changes. Click on Restart and your computer will restart into normal mode without safe mode black screen. Also, you can remove safe mode from boot configuration data or BCD file using command prompt as followings. Press Windows plus R keys to open Run tool. Type CMD and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as administrator. Type the following command line and hit enter to disable safe mode. bcd edit/delete value current safe boot. This command can be used to disable all known safe modes, from recovery environment or from safe mode itself. However, to turn safe mode off from Windows 10 or Windows 11 recovery environment, you have to replace current string by default as following. bcd edit/delete value default safe boot. It's worth noting that the safe mode may get enabled automatically if the Windows failed to install a particular update or package due to incompatibility issues. If your computer gets stacked into safe mode black screen, you can exit safe mode with command prompt or using system configuration as shown previously. To exit safe mode in Windows 10 or Windows 11 without logging in when using CMD from Advanced Recovery Environment, you will need to boot your computer from a Windows installation media like DVD or USB. Refer to video description for more details. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.